So here we are at episode 3. In this episode, we will talk about how to get started and who to help. So who to help and where to get started all depends on what your personal interest may be. If you like animals, for instance, it can be great to volunteer in an animal shelter in your city. But if you are like me and you don't have a clue, it can also be very interesting to just try out different things. I personally went to an animal shelter to help. I worked in an elderly home. I packed food for the food bank. I did some sports. I worked in schools. I helped out with homework. I do social media. There's a lot of different things you can try. You can see what's your personal interest or what you like the most in order to continue and repeatedly do it. Start looking around in your own city. Within your community, who would need help? Who could use an extra hand, and where is the biggest problem? With all of us together, we can put in a little effort, put in a little extra energy, and we can make a big difference. A good example of little effort and a big change is collecting food for the food bank. With just buying one extra piece of food that's only €1, together we can make it work that the food bank has up to 3 months of food to share with the people in your city. This can make a big difference in your city. Currently, 1 million people in the Netherlands only are living in poverty, and only 150,000 of them are able to be registered at the food bank. Organizations such as the food bank have less and less financial help due to Corona, and therefore have a hard time in buying food for donations. This week we need you to take action. In this week's challenge, find a supermarket nearby that is doing a collecting for the food bank. Make sure that you buy some extra food, donate it to one of these collections and help out. Another option will be to contact one of the food banks in your area and see how you can be of any help.